The simplest definition given to culture is that it is a way of life. We have this tendency to forget the fact that we are driven by structures behind the actions which ultimately manifest as our culture. Cultural studies is a quest to understand how culture affects and controls our life. Unlike many other fields of studies, cultural studies not only attempts to understand and explain the influence of culture but also be a critique of itself, which also strive to bring a positive change. Cultural studies is an academic discipline which combines political economy, communication, sociology, social theory, literary theory, media theory, film studies, philosophy, art, history, criticism, etc. to study cultural phenomena in various societies. Cultural studies researchers often focus on how a particular phenomenon relates matters of ideology, nationality, social class, and gender. Discussion on cultural studies have gained currency with the publication of Richard Hogarth's Use of Literacy, 1957, and Raymond Williams' Culture and Society, 1958. Definitions of cultural studies. First, cultural studies transcends the confines of a particular discipline such as literary criticism or history. Cultural studies involves scrutinizing the cultural phenomenon of a text and drawing conclusions about the changes in textual phenomena over time. Second, cultural studies is politically engaged. Cultural critiques see themselves as oppositional not only within their own disciplines but to many of the power structures of society at large. Third, cultural studies denies the separation of high and low or elite and popular culture. Cultural critics today work to transfer the term culture to include mass culture, whether popular, folk, or urban, rather than determining which are the best works produced. Cultural critics describe what is produced and how various productions relate to one another. Cultural critics aim to reveal the political, economic reasons why a certain cultural product is more labeled at certain times than others. Finally, cultural studies analyzes not only the cultural work but also the means of production. Cultural studies join subjectivity, that is, culture in relation to individual lives, with engagement, a direct approach to attacking social ills. Media culture. Media studies and its role in the construction of cultural values, circulation of symbolic values, and its production of desire are central to cultural studies today. In cultural studies, media culture is studied through analysis of popular media culture like films, TV serials, advertisements, etc., as cultural studies believes in the power of the popular cultural forms as tools of ideological and political power. Media culture clearly reflects the multiple sides of contemporary debates and problems. Culture studies of media culture explores what is called media ecologies, the environment of human culture created by the intersection of information and communications technologies, organizational behavior, and human interaction. To conclude, these cultural studies exist with particular ideas which shows particular cultural world. Sometimes popular culture can so overtake and repackage a literary work that it is impossible to read the original text without reference to the many layers of popular culture that have developed around it.